I'm here to talk to you about how to clean your dog. If this was your dog, all you would do is take the vacuum cleaner to get the hair off the dog, turn it on, vacuum it off. Now you may be saying to yourself, how is this possible? I have a really big dog. Well, I would like to offer you a suggestion. Get your dog like this. Bring your dog over and start a vacuum. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. You just vacuum away. The dogs love it. An easy way to clean the tail is to insert the entire tail into the vacuum. Sometimes the dog likes to clean its nose. Good boy. Good boy. And that is how you clean your dog.